So I'm a big fan of hummus. I eat a lot of it. It's kind of my go-to snack. And apparently there's an even better way to make it. So I'm going to try today to make hummus, not using any garbanzo beans or chickpeas. We're going to make it using zucchini, and we're going to see how it shakes out. It's got all of the other same ingredients, the tahini, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of lemon, and I like to put some cilantro and paprika in there. And we're going to see how it stands up to the beans. Looks the same. Smells just as good. I added a little bit of water because it was a little thick, but and it tastes pretty good too. And that is something that I really wouldn't think to do with the zucchini. So it's another interesting way to get more variety out of your vegetables. And then I can use this to make a lettuce wrap sandwich using some romaine lettuce, some cucumbers, some black olives, and that'll give me a really nice lunchtime treat.